Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video, I'm going to continue the discussion on circle determined by three conditions. Well, but this time, of course, as Ambassador of Casio Philippines, I'm going to claim it, I'm going to discuss this with the aid of Casio fx-CG50. Okay? But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new one. So if you're ready, let's go! Here's the problem. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2, 3, 3, 4, and negative 1, 2. Give also the center and radius of the circle. Okay. Well, if you were able to watch my previous video, okay, na-discuss ko na to doon in which I presented two solutions. Okay? One solution is that, of course, if you're going to substitute all these 3 points on the general equation, that will yield to systems of 3 equations with 3 unknowns, right? Then, the second solution that I presented is I used the concept of perpendicular bisector. Okay, so well, if you're interested to watch it, you can find the link on the video description below. Okay, but as I said in the introduction of the video, so what I'm going to do now is to solve this same problem, but of course with the aid of Casio fx-CG50. Okay, so to do that, of course, let me set up the equation that we're going to enter in the calculator. Okay, so again, to solve this one, so of course, recall natin yung general form, that is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Then we're going to substitute all these 3 points one at a time, okay, to yield 3 equations with 3 unknown. That is, using 2, 3, so I'm going to have substitute 2 and 3 to x and y respectively. That will be 2d, okay, plus 3e plus f equals, so again, 2 squared plus 3 squared, that will be 13, okay, 4 plus 9. So, transpose ko on the right side, that will be negative 13. See that? Okay. Next, 3 squared plus 4 squared, that is 25. So, that will be negative 25. Again, yung 25 dapat nandito, transpose is on the right side, that will be negative 25. That is, okay, 3d plus 4e plus f equals negative 25. So, this will be my second equation. Okay. Lastly, using negative 1 and 2, substitute it to x and y respectively, that will be negative d, okay, plus 2e plus f, okay, negative 1 squared plus 2 squared, that will be 5, transpose it on the right side, that will be negative 5. There you go. So my 3 equations with 3 unknowns is complete. Okay, so I'm now going to use the calculator. Okay, so if you want to have this in your computer, or yeah, in your laptop or desktop, you can download this for free, okay, so in which you can find the link on the video description below. Okay, but reminders, this calculator, this emulator is only good for 3 months or 90 days. Okay, anyway, so okay, now let me enlarge it. Okay, so since what I did here is okay, so nag-create ako ng, okay, I was able to create systems of equation with 3 unknowns. What I'm going to do here is to use the equation mode. This one, okay, equation mode. Okay, so since I'm going to solve simultaneously, I have to press F1. Okay, F1, this button. Alright. Then how many unknowns? Of course, tatlo. Okay. Once you enter 3, okay, there you go. Okay, may mga preliminary values na pala siya. Okay. There you go. So again, what I'm going to enter is the coefficients. That is, using this equation, 2, 3, 1, negative 13. Take note of that. Okay. 2, 3, 1, negative 13. There you go. See that? Okay. So again, yung 2, 3, 1, coefficient ni x, y, z, or d, e, f. Yun yung corresponding variable niya dito. Okay, next. Take note of the coefficients and the constant. 3, 4, 1, negative 25. Okay, 3, 4, 1, negative 25. There you go. And lastly, negative 1 to yun. So, negative 1, 2, 1, and negative 25. There, oh no, negative 5 lang, sorry. Negative 5. There you go. Okay. So, therefore, this will be the value of x, y, z or d, e, f. So, that is, so, yung value ng d ko pala is negative 2 is, yeah, 2 pala, sorry. 2. Then, e is negative 14 while my f is 25. Okay, now, I have d, e, and f. Actually, that will be the equation of the circle. But, I want to show you something here. Okay, actually, this calculator is, meron siyang function, okay, especially for conic section. Okay, again, meron siyang special picture for conic section. Okay, so then, what I'm going to do here is look for the circle. Okay, so since what we have here is the general form, so since meron na tayong value ng d, e, and f, okay, so, yan ang gagawin ko. Okay, again, okay, so meron ng initial value to kasi nagamit ko na to before, okay. Again, ang value ng a ko is 1, okay. Ang v ko, which the coefficient of x, which is d, is 2. Ang coefficient ng y ko, which is e, is negative 14, while the constant is, or f, is 25. Then, I'm going to draw it. There you go. So, this is how our circle will look like. Let me zoom it in. Okay. There you go. So, this is our circle. Okay. Now, so, that's it. We're able to answer the equation of the circle. Actually, this calculator can get the center and radius in an instant. Okay. So since meron ka ng circle, okay, so press ko lang ang G-solve, then that's it. Press F1, that will be the center. Negative 1, 7. Okay. Press G-solve again, you're going to have a radius of 5. See that? Okay. G-solve, center, negative 1, 7. G-solve, radius, the radius is 5. Okay. And you can verify this in my previous video. Okay, so that's the same answer. Okay. So, I hope you learned something on this short video tutorial. So, okay, so feel free to share and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'm going to see you next time. Keep safe.